Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to solve linear equations, and basically they are the foundation of algebra. So they are called linear because their graphs are straight line, and a linear equation is an equation where variable has a power of 1. Let's say if I write 3x plus 4 is equals to 10. So here variable is x and its maximum power is 1. If I write 3x plus 2y is equals to 5, there are two variable and their power is 1. So these are linear equation. First is linear equation in one variable, second is linear equation in two variable, right? So basically, the general form of linear equation is this: ax plus b is equals to c, where a, b, c are constant and x is variable. There can be one variable or more than one variable. Let's start with very simple example. This is the first video of algebra. We will be making lots of videos. So this is just first part. I am going to make a playlist um, through which you can go through. So let's take a very simple example. X plus 7 is equals to 15. So you our goal is always to isolate the variable. Here variable is x, and what is associated, what is the extra term with x? We have to keep x with itself. It should be isolated. So we have plus 7. So because we have to isolate it, so we need to get rid of 7. So what is the opposite of plus 7? Minus 7. So we need to subtract 7 both sides. So first we write what is given, the same equation. Now we subtract both sides 7. So this is what we have done, right? Both sides to make a balance. This plus 7 minus 7, this will cancel out, this will become 0. Only we are left with x, and this side 15 minus 7, which is 8. So our answer is 8. X is equals to 8. Now let's say a two-step equation. Let's say we have 3x minus 5 is equals to 16. So first of all, we have to again our goal is to isolate variable which is x. So with 3x, the extra term that you can see is minus 5 here, right? So what is opposite of minus 5? Plus 5. So we write our equation as it is, then we do opposite of this term which is plus 5 both side to make a balance. This plus 5 minus 5 cancel out, it becomes 0. We have only 3x this side, and 16 plus 5 is 21. Now still we have 3 which we need to get rid of because we want to isolate x. So this 3 is in multiplication with x, right? We know 3 times x is 3x. So what is the opposite operation of multiplication? It's division. So we need to divide both side with 3. So we divide both sides with 3. This 3 and 3 cancel out, and we are left with x is equals to 21 divided by 3, which is 7. So our answer is x is equals to 7. This is two step. First we did this, and then we divided both sides with 3, right? Let's take one more example. When we have variables on both sides, let's say I have 4x plus 3 is equals to 2x plus 11. So you can see I have a variable x here, and right side, left side, both side we have variable. So basically what we do, we take our variable terms one side and the constant other side. So these two terms are variable terms. I take 4x, then this 2x I will take this side. So this is positive 2x. When we move a positive term to other side of equal sign, it becomes negative. Same for negative term, it becomes positive. Basically it becomes opposite. So this is positive 2x, this will become negative 2x. Now we have 11 this side. I just write it as it is. This is plus 3. When we move it to other side, it becomes minus 3. 4x minus 2x is 2x. 11 minus 3 is 8, right? Now still we have some other term with x which is 2. We need to get rid of it because we want to isolate x. This is 2 times x. So 2 times, opposite of this operation is division, right? So we divide both side with 2, and this cancel out. So x is equals to 8 divided by 2 is 4. So our answer is 4. That's how we do when we have variables on both sides. Now let's take one more example of fractions. Let's say x divided by 2 plus 3 is equals to 7. So first of all, we need to again, our main focus is to isolate our variable. What is extra here? Plus 3. So opposite of plus 3 is minus 3. Opposite of sign. Basically we need to, uh, if it is plus we need to do minus. If it is multiplication we divide. So first we write our equation as it is, x divided by 2 plus 3, this side I have 7. Opposite of plus is minus 3, so I do minus 3 both side. This cancel out, I am left with x divided by 2. This side I have x minus 3, which is 4. If you see, this is x divided by 2. I need to get rid of 2 to isolate x. So opposite of division is multiplication. What I do, I write my equation as it is. I multiply both side with 2. Okay, this 2 and this 2 cancel out. Our goal was to isolate x. Now we have only x this side, 4 times 8. So this is my answer. Okay, so that's how we solve linear equation. This was the basic and first lesson. So I started with very basic, but as we will be going through different lesson, the difficulty level would increase according to the exam level. Thank you.